everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today I'm gonna paint reindeer place names for Christmas table decorations. Don't know you, but Christmas is my favorite time of the year. It's just like when creativity or imagination can just go absolutely mental. So I like to create table decorations. I created all of my tree decorations and it's so much fun. And I even decorated the whole flat. I'm always trying to do something new and something different every year. And my collection of Christmas tree decoration just keeps growing and growing and growing to the point that I'm not sure I'm gonna have enough room to store them. This is something that I've done a few years ago. We had my husband's family over for dinner, so I found these great reindeer wooden shapes, and they're like freestanding. They stand up on their own. And so there's a boy, there's a girl, and there's a little girl. They do come in different sizes. So the first time I painted them as a present for my friend. So I did my friend, her husband, and her little daughter. And they do come with little additions. So they've got little noses, and then the boy has got like a little scarf, and the girl would have like a wooden bow on here, but for some reason I don't think I ordered it. So, but no, don't panic. Let's not panic, because I have got an idea of what I can do to make it all nice and pretty. So I'm going to show you how I paint these and how I turn them into place names. So make sure you watch to the end to see how they turn up. And if you like what you see, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can keep up with when the next video come out. Let's start, because I'm so excited. I cannot wait. So what I'm going to do first of all, I'm going to paint the little noses and the little scarf, because then once the big ones are dry, I can just stick them on. So that's great. So I've got my usual palette. Ta-da! That's it. This goes this way. And we're gonna do blue for the scarf and the dark brown for the noses. Oops. I got my water, my usual towel that has been cleaned, has been washed finally, and a little brush. So let's paint these. Oh, I'm in my element. I absolutely love painting. Boom. The base of the scarf is done, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of shading. So I will need some white. Oh. Shake it, because usually it makes funny noises. Ha! Gotcha! And as usual, I use my burnt amber to do all the dark bits, to do all the shadows, whilst I paint all of these, the dark burnt amber, the noses. There we go. Let's leave them to dry. And for the main reindeers, this is the fun bit, because I got, what's alive? I got my sponges again. Ooh, let's use them. My brush is falling to bits. Okay, for the body of the reindeers, let's do this. I'm gonna be using burnt sienna. And there you go. Well, we're gonna do the usual. Beam, beam, beam. Dun, 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 dun. This is so satisfying. And we paint it. Doesn't matter if we don't get to the top, because that's gonna be a dark color for the antlers. So the body. I do love this technique, like using the sponge, because it's so nice and quick and job done. It's and you can do pretty much what you want and make it up as you go along. And if you don't like it, just sponge a bit more, clean your sponge, just go over it, and that's it. So, but we need to make sure that we work whilst the paint is still wet. So we're gonna go around the edges, just to make it look as if it's a little bit round. So we just give it a nice sort of edging, darker edging. Just make sure you don't have too much. And the antlers, we're just gonna do all dark burned amber. That's what they're gonna be like. And don't worry about the bow. As I said, I've got a plan. Ta-da! So the lady, it's done. They don't come, as I said, by the way. You can just buy what you want. If you want all girls, if you want all boys, whatever you want, you can mix and match them, and then you buy the accessories with them. So you've got to choose as well, if you want the nose, if you want the bow for the head, if you want the little scarf. And it doesn't mean that you got to use the scarf for the boy. You can use it for the girl. You can use it for whatever you want, or if you want to paint something on it, it doesn't matter. But these are brilliant, and I'm gonna put the link of where I got them from in the description, because these came from from an online place called Perfectly Crafty. And oh my god, that's another company that I really like. They've got really nice cool wooden shapes, and goes without saying, the smell is fantastic. But I had these for a while, so it's unfortunate the smell is gone. Yeah, that's a shame. But they did smell. When I opened the box, I was like, oh my god, I'm in heaven. I love them. So let's clean this, and let's get over the bits that I missed. And let's now, right, the girl is done. Let's do the big boy. And we do the same thing. Always trying to find the quick way of making something, so then I've got more time to make more stuff. Rinse the sponge good and proper to do the little girl. Look how dinky she is. She's so cute, so tiny. I'm gonna see with the little nose and all painted. Oh, they're gonna look so cute, so cute. Now that we've done the bodies, we do the little faces. So I'm thinking that this is going to go there. So that bit on the face, I'm gonna dab a little bit of white. So let's clean the sponge. And the beauty of doing it with the sponges is that it dries really quickly because there's not much colour. So, ta-da! Very excited. And they're done. And they've got that rustic look as well that I really like. And like Christmas, it's just all like, I don't know, but I just like the standard colours. I just like reds, golds, like all warm colours, nice and cozy. Yeah, beautiful. I can't wait. Cannot wait. So, okay. Stop faffing about. Now, what we're gonna do on the scarf, I've got my really fine Uniposca if it works. So I'm gonna do like a checked design. The nose is gonna go there, so I'm gonna do the eyes here and here. You can do them with brush, but it's I think it's easier like this. So here she is, as cute as a little button. And we put some highlights and we glue the nose. This is just PVA glue. I'm still not too sure how I'm going to make them, what is going to be the final result. I'm working on it. I haven't decided yet. So make sure you watch to the end so you can see what I've done with them. And we do the little chicks. And now for the bows. I have got this lovely ribbon for the little dinky one, and I've got a few bits of this one for the big one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a bow big enough. So dun, dun, dun. Okay, let's make it like this. I have got like a little string, and what you do, you have the middle, you scrunch it up, and then there we go. And that is your bow. Not finished yet. Let's turn my glue gun on. And I have got another piece. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold it and fold it that way. But I don't think I need it as big as this. So let's cut that end bit. Now I've got to try and glue it without burning my fingers. Oh, that's gonna be challenging. And here she is. Isn't she beautiful? Let's do the same for the little one, but with this. And here's the little one. You can add a little mouth if you want, but I like them like this. They look quite cute, I think. Ta-da! And the little girl. What I did previously, when I did these place names, I painted the little banners and put them at the front. So they were holding these with the names. I'm going to paint them, but I'm not sure I'm going to use them because I might have another idea, but you never know. See what's going to happen. Ta-da! So I might be going for this look. What do you think? I don't have one for the little girl though. I'll have to find something else to put if I'm gonna go for this. For the little girl, I'll have to do something different. You'll have to keep watching and you can see what I've done with them and how I set the table up. I thought about what to do with my reindeers and now I know. Now I know. I'm not gonna use these because I've used them before and I'm always trying to do something slightly different to what I did before, even though it's the same thing, but I try to make it a little bit different somehow. Hope it makes sense. And I've used some of these cute little decorations to decorate the reindeers, and also I've made these sachets and I put some more ribbon on it. I sew them myself, but I haven't got a sewing machine and I'm not really good at sewing, so that's why I skipped that bit. I'm sure you can do a better job than I have, but I'm happy with them. They'll do the job for what I want to do. So got these, and I've got these labels, these tags, and I have these, but I've used them the other way around and I cut them so they're like this. They've got both ends. I like that, with like a swallow tail. And oh, and sweeties, Lindor chocolate. Oh, my favorite, one of my favorite. They're all pretty much my favorite. I love chocolate. So there we go. And now I'm ready to put it all together. I hope you like it. And if you like it, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notifications on the next videos. Bye for now. Take care. Bye bye.